Hello, my name is Mark Otten, Director of Segment Management with Danfoss Sensing Solutions, and I'm here at the AHR 2025 Expo in sunny Orlando, Florida, talking about the new products that we're going to bring to the market in 2025. One of those is here in my hand. This is our A2L gas sensor. We're building off the success of the gas sensor that we launched in 2024, which you see here on the wall. What we've done here is a smaller, more compact design for customers with space constraints. At the same time, we've kept our inverted patented design protecting the membrane, and we've increased the IP to improve the robustness for our customers' applications. Same time, on our original design, we are approving new refrigerants. One would be a duo refrigerant that is approved for R32 and R454B. And the next, coming later this year, would be a tri-refrigerant, 454C, 454A, and 455A for refrigeration applications. On top of that, we have our new DST P070 pressure sensor that is designed specifically for HVAC applications with a hermetically sealed design that's approved for the next generation of A2L and A3 refrigerants, but also we have a version with a bimetal tube for easy soldering and reduced installation costs and time.